Good afternoon, everyone. I am Comtesh, and our presentation focus on fraud. Uh, what is fraud? In the broadest sense, fraud is an intentional deception made for personal gain or to damage another person's entity. Wrongful or criminal deception intended to result in financial or personal gain. Uh, There is major types of fraud, but common types of fraud is following. Uh, First is financial fraud, includes manipulation, falsification, alteration of accounting record, misrepresentation or intentional omission of amount, misapplication of accounting principles, intentional false, misleading or omitted disclosure. Second is misappropriation of assets, theft of tangible assets by external or internal parties. Sales of proprietary information causing improper payment. Third, corruption, making or receiving improper payment, offering bribes to public or private officials, receiving bribes, kickbacks, or other payments, aiding and abetting fraud by others. Understanding corporate fraud with the help of some cases. First of all, Satyam scam. Everyone knows about Satyam scam. The biggest corporate scam in India has come from one of the respected business families. Satyam, fourth largest Indian IT company listed in India and US. Over 2 billion US dollar annual revenue size company established in mid 1980s, grown to 53,000 employees, 600 plus customers, including 185 Fortune 500 companies, operation in 66 countries across the globe. Financial advisor is Merrill Lynch, now Bank of America. Auditor Price Waterhouse Coopers. On January 7, 2009, Mr. Ramalinga Raju confessed about his scam, resigned as chairman from Satyam after admitting to cooking up the account book. It is India's largest corporate fraud. Cause behind Satyam scam, fudging of accounts. Satyam manipulates these books of accounts and overstated assets of Rs 490 crores, fake cash balances over rupees 5,000 crore in the balance sheet, interest component of Rs 376 crores, which never flowed into the company's coffers, understated liabilities of Rs 1230. Aftermath effect. Investor panicked as stock employees stranded in many ways, morally, financially, legally, and socially. The incident resulted in immeasurable and unjustifiable damage to brand India and brand IT in particular. Chairman, MD, and CEO, CFO key associates arrested. Partner of audit firm were also arrested. People lost saving Rs 100 billion in Satyam in market capitalization as investors reacted sharply and dumped shares, pushing down to the script by 78% to Rs rupees 39.95 on BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Everyone knows about the Harshad Mehta. Harshad Mehta scam comes into know scam 1990 to the Harshad Mehta story. Mehta obtained fake DRS from small banks. The state bank DR were further passed on to other banks as security to obtain cash. This money was used to drive up the prices of stocks in the stock market. Bubble of stock market manipulation and fake DRS busted, drastically impacted the stock market, economy, and progress of country. Banking system was swindled of a whooping of Rs 4,000 crores. Even the chairman of one of the bank committed suicide. It is the biggest scam in 1992.
Regulatory legislations are Indian Contact Act, CARO, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Companies Act 2013. Why people commit fraud? Commit fraud by greed and easy of financial gain, It was just a loan I pressured by negative influences such as loss of employment or status, gambling addictions, health problems, or siblings' death. How management encourage fraud? By responsibility, accountability, and authority not established or documented, goals and objectives neither established nor monitored for success, inconsistent application of policies or procedures may result in unfair. People responsible for fraud. Board of Directors, CFO, CEO, senior management, internal audit, middle management, operational management are responsible for fraud. Prevention of fraud. A strong ethical value in organizations, flowing from the top. Recruitment process, reference rate and verification, define policies and guidelines, clear roles and responsibilities, internal control systems, transparency and common sense. Survey and fraud, agencies, survey. Thank you.